YouTube? It's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. Package arrived yesterday or the day before. Just wanted to let everyone see what was in it. It's the package I've been waiting on. Been waiting on for about a week now. So it missed delivery by about 2 days or whatever. I'm getting it for my son's build, but I used a different one, so it's alright. Now, there we go. Alright, so a little advertisement for 30% off H&R Block. It's always fun. A $60 gift card, but it's $20 off of each of the first 3 purchases. So in other words, they're not giving you $60 at once, they're giving you 3 payments of $20. So there's that. And then I purchased 2 of them at the same time because I wanted to make sure I had one in stock for anything that came up. So the performance on these is not spectacular, but not horrible. They're SATA 3, so they're the 6 GBS. But it's up to 500 megabits per second write and 300 read, or 500 read and 300 write, because it's the 120 gig. The 240 is faster and the 480 is faster still. They come with a 3-year warranty, and for like 20 bucks I couldn't pass them up. So these are Team Group, and they're just SSDs, 120 gig drives, for boot drives for some builds, you know, that I'm doing. So yeah, and they're black with a whitish label. So, and it's just 2.5-inch SSD inside of a plastic package. I'm not gonna pop them open right now just because I don't have a need to have them opened, and honestly, we've all seen an SSD, or at least a hard drive, and an SSD is nothing more than a small hard drive. So yeah, that's the video for today. Hope it helps anyone decide, you know, honestly, 120 gig SSD for 20 bucks. It's kind of hard to pass up, especially since, you know, 3 to 6 months ago they would have been 30, 40 bucks. So yeah, Team Group seems to be as good as any other. It's slightly slower than some of the name brand ones, but you get like a 30 to 50% discount for it. So if utmost performance isn't the ultimate for you and you just need something faster than standard hard drives, for the price, 25 bucks for 120 gigs is really good. You get a little bit slower write and read speed than you would off of, say, an Evo, but you know, you're paying half the cost, so if not less. So it comes down to price to performance. The price point of this is lower. You're going to get a little bit slower speeds, but unless you absolutely have to have super high speed SSD, which honestly for most things isn't really that important, it might shave a few seconds here and there, but in the long run it's really not going to do much of a difference. Might as well save the money if you don't have to have that absolute top-notch extra edge that really doesn't do much good on much, unless you're loading your games onto the SSD, which honestly 120 gigs isn't going to handle more than 1 game anyway, especially since Windows itself takes up almost a third of it. So in the long run, 20 bucks for a boot drive, pretty good deal. Couldn't pass it up, had to grab 2. That way I have a couple of them for some builds. So I'll let everyone go, and you know, like the video if you like the content, subscribe to the channel to keep up to date, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you are looking for as far as type of parts, and I'll see if I can grab something and give a little bit of a heads up on what it looks like. That way you can see it before you buy it. Anyway, hope everyone had a great time, and hope everyone enjoyed the video and had a great time watching this. Again, thanks for watching the video. Like the video if you like the content. Subscribe to the channel to keep up to date. Leave a comment down below so that we can see what you want to hear about, and hopefully buy some products in the areas that you are all looking to see products in, and show you a heads up of what it looks like or how it performs and things like that. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.